Thinking about the F520 exam? Well, we're going to break it all down for you right now.
If you're studying for this cert, you know that a clear plan is everything, right?
Okay, so what's the deal with this exam? It's all about your day-to-day big IP skills.
So who's this for? Basically, any IT pro who's managing a big IP environment.
So what's actually on the test? Your studies really need to focus on 5 key areas.
First, you've got system access, core traffic objects, and then the common profiles. Absolutely fundamental stuff.
And then it tests your troubleshooting workflow and operational tasks, like upgrades. You got to be ready for that.
All right, enough theory. Let's look at 3 real-deal questions you might actually see on the exam.
Okay, question 1. This is all about how you'd handle an I rule in an HA pair. Question 2 deals with pool members, specifically how to avoid overloading them with too many connections.
And for number 3, it's a classic troubleshooting problem with a failed health monitor. What's next?
Seeing questions like that shows why just using random exam dumps doesn't really work, right?
For a structured approach that actually works, you should check out the tools from certificationexam.com.
Their simulator has 165 up-to-date practice questions. That's a whole lot of practice.
And get this, 98% of their users pass on the first try. That's pretty amazing.
You get a web simulator with practice and exam modes, plus a mobile app. Super convenient.
So this is the method. Review a topic, lab it out, take a quiz, and log your mistakes.
Following this loop turns those weak spots into strengths. It really builds confidence for test day.
So are you ready? Because with structured practice, you'll have the confidence to pass on your first try.